Amaji Samatun Tain, Radio Voice of St. London.
This is Dr. Terry Jackson. Please tune in. Yazir Kazi. Please listen to this show. This is a very informative show and it will change your life.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. You are listening to a radio which disseminates the voice of sin, the sorrows of sin, the happinesses and joys of sin, the beauty of sin, the aroma of sin throughout the world, throughout the globe, which is called Radio Voice of Sin London, which broadcasts and disseminates its colors, its aroma from United Kingdom. And this is the weekly show of Radio Voice of Sin London called Indus Melodies. This is me, Asir Kazi, with you, the host and the executive producer of this very show, Indus Melodies. Assalamu alaikum. Haq Maujood, Aloha, Namaste, Namaskar, Mujrosa, Sat Sri Akal. Hello and welcome to the show. Hi folks, how are you? I hope you had a productive week and I pray and I hope for your relaxing weekend which can prepare you for an upcoming, forthcoming, fruitful week. So listeners, this is Saturday, 6th of Rabiul Awwal, 1442, and you know that Rabiul Awwal is the third month of our Hijra calendar. 24th of October 2020, 10th month of the Gregorian calendar, and 24th day of this very month, October, and 2020 is the year, and 2 months to go in starting the new year 2021. This is 9th of Katti as far as the Sindhi calendar, Bakrami calendar is concerned. This is the month of Katti and this is the 9th day of Katti. Today, we are broadcasting program number 8 of season number 1 of Indus Melodies. And you all know that this show is broadcasted every Saturday 3 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time, 3:30 p.m. in India, 2 p.m. in UAE, 6 in the morning as per Eastern Time, Washington DC, New York City, Toronto, and etc. etc. The region around these cities, which is called GMT-4 or UTC-5 or Eastern Time, and 11 o'clock in the morning as per United Kingdom Standard Time. This show is repeated at 10 o'clock in the night at Pakistan, 10:30 p.m. in India, 9 p.m. in UAE, 1 p.m. as per Eastern Time, Washington DC, New York, Toronto, etc. and 6 p.m., 6 o'clock in the evening in UK. So listeners, as per our tradition, let's start today's show with the name of Almighty Allah. This is a hamd. This is discussing about the Divine Beloved, and this is the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. And today in season 1 for the very first time, I'm taking you to the original style of the music of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, the greatest poet of Sindhi language, and this is the very style which is sung by the faqirs, the saints, the singers of the Dargah, the shrine of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. Right now, in their forthcoming presentation, they are singing some of the abiyat, some of the bayat, and a vai from one of the melodies of Saswi and Punhu. That is the very first melody of Saswi, because there are 5 melodies, 5 chapters dedicated to Saswi, and this is the very first chapter which is called Abri or Abhri or Saswi Abri. And the bayat and the couplet from which this presentation starts, that is Punhu Chadyo Poe Janib Jabal Goliye. After losing your beloved, your Punhu, why are you looking for him in the hills? Telahi tingu kari, jelahi tu joy. Joy means wife in Sindhi. Telahi tingu kari, jelahi tu joy. How unfortunate it is that you are searching for your custodian. Sajana sunya nihariye, dukhiye doh kayoe. This is now the sentence of your negligence, that you are looking for him in the lonely mountainous ways. Hade hot na hoye. Hard is the name of a mountain in Balochistan, and that lies in the way, which is told the way of Saswi when she was searching for Punhu from Bambho to Kech Makran. So, Shah Abdul Latif says, Hade hot na hoye, vari puch vethin ke. Hard ho The mountain of Balochistan has no clue about your darling. Ask the passerbys regarding his whereabout. So actually, Sasui is the icon of seeker and Punhu is the metaphor of divine beloved. Shah Latif, addressing a seeker who lost his way to the divine darling in the apparent attraction of his temporary world, says that now you have lost the way to God, to Almighty Allah, and you are misplaced somewhere in the dark woods. And now you are apprehensive to get him. So, if you wish a way through to him, ask the passers of that very path, not the silent mountains in your journey, which are symbolized as the hindrances of Seeker's Avenue. So, what a message! What a deep message by Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai. Let's start with this message. So, ultimately, this is a hamd, some of the abiyat, some of the couplets, and a vibe from Sur Sasui Abri, the melody of Sasui. Abri or Abri. Abri means without water. Ab means water. Ri means without water. Who did not drink a drop of water in her journey. And Abri means the weak one, who has a weak existence. So, these both names are recommended by the scholars that its name may be Abri, its name may be Abri, or Sasui Abri, or Sasui Abri. Let's start our today's Indus melodies with some of these abiyat and vai from the melody of Sasui Abri. Here we go.
छॾियो पोइ थी जानब जबल गोलिए तलाई तिंगू करी जला तू जो तलाई निहारी दुखी दो क्यों हारे हो तु न हो वरी पुछ वेठन खां वेठन खां संदा पार पुनू वरी पुछ वेठन खां संदा पार पुनू वेही कर विरू हक पर कूक मकान धखे कर विरू कुपर कूक में कांध खे पुछ वेठन खा सदा पुनु अपार
वरी पुछ वेठन खा सदा पुनु अपार
सदा पुनु अपार साजन सब जमार दुखी दौर जुड़ील में
साजन सब जमार दुखी दौर जुड़ील में साजन सब जमार में
दुखी दौर जुड़ील में पुनु पाण करे
दुखी दौर जुड़ील में पुनु पाण करे
पुनु पाण करे
पुनु पाण करे
वन जुकी न परे हुक्म गोल जो तखे
वञ जुकी मपर बन गोल जो तक ओ वञ जुकी मपर म्यो ओ
सभई सारे ससुई घर कुंडू तू गौर
सभई सारे ससुई घर कुंडू तू घोर
वञी दूर मदो डोर दरा मंझ दोस्त थियो
वनी दूर मडोर दराम जे दोस्त थियो वनी दूर मडोर न ओ
अब सगाए वञो कूकी का धखे बस गाए म्या ओ वाला
So, listeners, we started the show remembering the divine beloved, the divine cherished one, Almighty Allah. These were some of the abiyat and a vibe from the melody of Sasui Abri from the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. You are listening to Indus Melodies, the weekly show of Radio Voice of Sindh London, and this is me Yasir Kazi with you. Before sharing with you the contents of today's show, let me share with you that tomorrow is October 25th, and tomorrow, as we don't have a show, tomorrow is the death anniversary of one of the popular folk singers of Sindh, Gigi Zarina Baloch. Her name was Zarina Baloch and she was titled as Gigi, and Gigi means the mother. We call Zarina Baloch out of respectful love Gigi Zarina Baloch. As I shared with you in my week's show that Mrs. Elsa Kazi was titled as the mother by the pupils of University of Sindh. So Gigi Zarina Baloch was also titled as Gigi the mother. So, we'll be including two of her songs in today's show, paying a tribute to her on her 15th death anniversary as she departed on October 25th, 2005, and this year in 2020 we'll be completing 15 years after her departure. So, my upcoming song will be in the voice of Zarina Baloch. What does it say? Before sharing that, let me share with you that who else will be included in today's show. Have you ever heard Jagjit Singh, the great ghazal singer of the subcontinent, singing in Sindhi? No? Never? So, you will be listening Jagjit Singh Saab singing in Sindhi in today's show. Of course, Gigi Abda Praveen will be a part and parcel of this show. Also, the voices of Ghulam Shabbir Shahani, Sarmat Sindhi, Malkat Ranam Noorjahan and Muhammad Jumman will be part and the beauty of this show. And also, I'm going to make you listen the voice of an other popular singer of the subcontinent, Usha Mangeshkar, the third sister of Lata Mangeshkar and Asha Bhosle, who is also a painter artist, Usha Mangeshkar, Usha Tai Khanna Mangeshkar. You will be listening a Sindhi song in the voice of Usha Mangeshkar, chosen from a Sindhi movie released in India. Also, I'll be reading a passage from a very rare book, Prehistoric Civilization of the Indus Valley, which is compiled with the lectures of Sir William Muir, which were delivered in 1935 and which were compiled by Kane Dixit. I'll be reading a passage from that which addresses to the characteristics of the people of the inhabitants of Indus Valley civilization. I'm taking you now to the second song of this show, and that is a very interesting folk song, because you all know that folk songs have very easy lyrics which are easily understandable by everybody and which belong to daily life, the things, the places and the events which are a part of an ordinary band that are the subjects of folk songs. So, Gigi Zarina Baloch, along with her companions, chorus, she is singing an interesting song. This was recorded at Pakistan Broadcasting Corporation, Radio Pakistan, Hyderabad. And this folk song says, "See the way how a ticket checker of a train cautions, and how the train moves when he hoists the green flag." The train moved from Karachi but did not manage to have the required quantity of water, so it had to stop at Dhabeji station near Bin Qasim, which comes immediately after Landi Junction, the last main station of Karachi. So, due to shortage of water, it stopped at Dhabeji station. Then the singers keep mentioning various railway stations, quoting the same case of shortage of water, including Jungshahi, Jampir, Bholadi, Kotri Junction, Hyderabad Junction, Nawabshah Junction, and in the last, Khairpur and Sakhar. So, are you ready to listen this interesting folk song? Let's listen to Gigi Zarina Baloch. Disi Babu ja par, disu Titi ja par, gadi halyo kare chachkar, rail halyo kare dhadkar. Here we go.
बाबू जा पार दिस ठीक जा पार गड़ी हल्लो करे चमकार रे हल्लो करे धधकार दिस बाबू जा पार दिस ठीक जा पार गड़ी हल्लो करे चमकार रे हल्लो करे धधकार गाॾी कराची खां आई अची सिंगल ॾिनाई ओ गाॾी कराची खां आई अची सिंगल ॾिनाई दाबे जी मथे पाणी पूरो न खयाई दाबे जी मथे पाणी पूरो न खयाई ॾिस बाबूअ जा ॿार ॾिस दीदीअ जा ॿार गाॾी हलियो करे छिमकार हलियो करे दजकार ॾिस बाबूअ जा ॿार ॾिस दीदीअ जा ॿार गाॾी हलियो करे छिमकार हलियो करे दजकार ओ गाॾी जंक्शन खां आई अची सिंगल ॾिनाई ओ गाॾी जंक्शन खां आई अची सिंगल ॾिनाई झिम्पीर मथे पाणी पूरो न खयाई झिम्पीर मथे पाणी पूरो न खयाई ॾिस बाबूअ जा ॿार ॾिस दीदीअ जा ॿार गाॾी हलियो करे छिमकार हलियो करे दजकार ॾिस बाबूअ जा ॿार ॾिस दीदीअ जा ॿार गाॾी हलियो करे छिमकार हलियो करे दजकार ओ गाॾी बोलाड़ीअ खां आई अची सिंगल ॾिनाई ओ गाॾी बोलाड़ीअ खां आई अची सिंगल ॾिनाई कोटड़ी मथे पाणी पूरो न खयाई कोटड़ी मथे पाणी पूरो न खयाई ॾिस बाबूअ जा ॿार ॾिस दीदीअ जा ॿार गाॾी हलियो करे छिमकार हलियो करे दजकार ॾिस बाबूअ जा ॿार ॾिस दीदीअ जा ॿार गाॾी हलियो करे छिमकार हलियो करे दजकार गाॾी हैदराबाद खां आई अची सिंगल ॾिनाई ओ गाॾी हैदराबाद खां आई अची सिंगल ॾिनाई नवाब शाह मथे पाणी पूरो न खयाई नवाब शाह मथे पाणी पूरो न खयाई ॾिस बाबूअ जा ॿार ॾिस दीदीअ जा ॿार गाॾी हलियो करे छिमकार हलियो करे दजकार ॾिस बाबूअ जा ॿार ॾिस दीदीअ जा ॿार गाॾी हलियो करे छिमकार हलियो करे दजकार
So, listeners, did you enjoy this journey of the train? At least I feel whenever I listen to this very folk song, I feel myself in a train, and train moves from these stations, said stations from Karachi to Janshai to Kotri to Hyderabad to Nawab Shah to Sakkar. I feel like traveling in a train because the beat of the song is also the train beat. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London. This is me Asir Kazi with you, and we were just listening the voice of Gigi Zarina Baloch, paying a tribute to her on her 15th death anniversary, which is tomorrow, October 25th. let me take you to the voice of the great Jagjit Singh. Jagjit Singh Sahab, one of the kings of the ghazals, because we have a lot of kings of ghazals in the subcontinent, because this is the musical genre of this region. So we had Shahnshah Ghazal Khan Sahab Mehdi Hasan Khan, we have king of ghazals Ghulam Ali, and one of the kings of the ghazals is Jagjit Singh Sahab. This is a short song sung by Jagjit Sahab in Sindhi which says, "Don't be sad and disappointed, my friend. The griefs will end one day and you will be able to forget all the sorrows. So don't worry." So let's listen to this beautiful geet.
ओ साथी मायूस न थी तू, जिंदा दिल थी जग में जी तू, गम ही वेंदा गुजरी, दुख सब वेंदा विसरी, दुख सब वेंदा विसरी। संकट सब ते ईद आहिनि, संकट आख़िर कटजी वेंदा, अंधकार ही टिकणो नाहे, ही तूफान बि हटजी वेंदा, रात जे अंदरां ईंदो नओ उजालो निकिरी, नओ उजालो निकिरी। ओ साथी मायूस न थी तू, जिंदा दिल थी जग में जी तू, गम ही वेंदा गुजरी, दुख सब वेंदा विसरी, दुख सब वेंदा विसरी।
All right, listeners, you are listening to the voice of Jagjit Singh Sahab singing in Sindhi in Indus Melodies, which is being broadcasted right now from Radio Voice of Sindh, London. If you want to listen to my other shows also, let me share with you that I appear in 2 more shows, which are Sindhi shows and which are disc jockey breakfast morning shows being broadcasted every Tuesday and Friday from Radio Voice of Sindh, London. And the timing of this show, Suraj Shaakhon Kadiyun. Title of the show is Suraj Shaakhon Kadiyun. The sun has spread its light, its rays. This show is broadcasted every Tuesday and Friday, 10 o'clock in the morning in Pakistan, 10:30 in India, 9 a.m. at UAE, United Arab Emirates, 1 o'clock in the night at Washington DC, New York City, Toronto, which is GMT-4, UTC-5 or Eastern Time, and 6 o'clock in the morning at United Kingdom. This show is repeated at 6 p.m. in Pakistan, same day, Tuesday and Friday, 6 p.m. in Pakistan, 6:30 in India, 5 p.m. in UAE, 9 o'clock in the morning as per Eastern Time, Washington DC, New York and Toronto, and 2 p.m. at United Kingdom, London and other cities of United Kingdom. So this is the series how we meet during the week, thrice a week. Now let me take you to the voice of Abida Parveen, and Abida Parveen is singing the poetry by Talibul Maula, and Talibul Maula Sahab says, "It was not expected from you, my dear. Is it fair to be so far away? This way, not at all. Let's listen to this beautiful melody by Abida Parveen, which is composed by Ustad Feroz Gul, late.
जानी हुजे तोख जसु अलो म्या जानी हुजे तोख जसु अला म्या हिया के कबियूं हिने हिया के कबियूं हिने यार जुदायूं अला जानी हुजे तोख जसु अला म्या जानी हुजे तोख जसु अला म्या हिया के कबियूं हिने हिया के कबियूं हिने यार जुदायूं वाला जानी हुजे तोख जसु के जामो प्रीत जो प्यारूं आत मिली के ॾींहड़ा गुज़ारूं हिक ॿिए खे जामो प्रीत जो प्यारूं कुर्ब में कहिड़ी कसु अला म्या कुर्ब में कहिड़ी कसु अला म्या वार सजण के विसाल जूं बायूं वाला जानी हुजे तोखे जसु जसु जानी हुजे तोखे जसु अला म्या हिया के कबियूं हिने ओ हिया के कबियूं हिने यार जुदायूं वाला जानी हुजे तोखे जसु रात दिहाचूं राहूं निहारने हिजर में हर हर हंजड़ूं हारने रात दिहाचूं राहूं निहारने हिजर में हर हर हंजड़ूं हारने गामन हारने गसु अला म्या गामन हारने गसु अला म्या प्यारा पिरिया हिने अखड़ी उन्यायूं अला जानी हुजे तोखे जसु जसु जानी हुजे तोखे जसु अला म्या हिया के कबियूं हिने ओ हिया के कबियूं हिने यार जुदायूं अला जानी हुजे तोखे जसु शाल मिलाई मूसा मूते थिए ही एहसान एहसान मौला शाल मिलाई मूसा मूते थिए ही एहसान एहसान कौन हले तो बस अला म्या कौन हले तो बस अलो म्या नत फिरत जाची तोखे पायूं वाला जानी हुजे तोखे जसु जसु जानी हुजे तोखे जसु अलो म्या हिया के कबियूं हिने यार जुदायूं वाला जानी हुजे तोखे जसु वनहन वारी वेढ़ विसाली जानी जोड़ जमाल जलाली वनहन वारी वेढ़ विसाली जानी जोड़ जमाल जलाली तालिबत खाओ तरस अलाम्या तालिबत खाओ तरस अलोम्या आतवरी को नौनी हुलायूं वाला जानी हुजे तोखे जसु जसु जानी हुजे तोखे जसु अलोम्या हीअं के कबियूं हिन यार जुदायूं वाला जानी हुजे तोखे जसु जसु जानी हुजे तोखे जसु अलोम्या हीअं के कबियूं हिन यार जुदायूं वाला जानी हुजे तोखे जसु
Jani huje tokhe jas. This does not suit you, my dear, to be so far away this way. We were listening to Abida Praveen. This is Indus Melodies being broadcasted from Radio Voice of Sindh, London, and this is the voice of Ghulam Shabbir Shahani singing the lyrics of Murtaza Shah Dadahi. And what do the lyrics say? I'll share with you after this song, and this genre is called Kafi. Let's listen to this Kafi by Shabbir Shahani.
रुसी वञ राणा दुनिया जे चवण ते रुसी वञ राणा दुनिया जे चवण ते मरी मुख वींदुस मरी मुख वींदुस मरी मुख वींदुस मरी मुख वींदुस मिठा मोह मटण ते ओ मिठा मोह मटण ते रुसी वञ राणा दुनिया जे चवण ते ओ रुसी वञ राणा दुनिया जे चवण ते घणियूं लोट ॻाल्हियूं घड़ी ॻोई रहंदो 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 सड़न था सभेई सड़न था सभेई सड़न था सभेई सड़न था सभेई पंहिंजे मिलण ते ओ पंहिंजे मिलण ते रुसी वञ राणा दुनिया जे चवण ते रुसी वञ राणा दुनिया जे चवण ते ज़माने विछोड़े छॾिया कई हज़ारे 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 कॾहिं राम आयुस कॾहिं राम आयुस कॾहिं राम आयुस कॾहिं राम आयुस न कंहिंजे रुअण ते ओ न कंहिंजे रुअण ते रुसी वञ राणा दुनिया जे चवण ते रुसी वञ राणा दुनिया जे वठी वेंदो कॾहिं पाण सां गॾु वठी वेंदो कॾहिं पाण सां गॾु वठी वेंदो मगर अॼु अथई यार मगर अॼु अथई यार मगर अॼु अथई यार मगर अॼु अथई यार मुंहिंजे अचण ते ओ मुंहिंजे अचण ते रुसी वञ राणा दुनिया जे चवण ते ओ रुसी वञ राणा दुनिया जे चवण ते मनी मुर्तज़ा जा अर्ज़ आज़ाना 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 खफ़ा थी न मुंहिंजी खफ़ा थी न मुंहिंजी खफ़ा थी न मुंहिंजी खफ़ा थी न मुंहिंजी मोहबत करण ते ओ मोहबत करण ते रुसी वञ राणा दुनिया जे चवण ते ओ रुसी वञ राणा दुनिया जे चवण ते मरी मोहरी दुस मरी मोहरी दुस मरी मोहरी दुस मरी मोहरी दुस मिठा मोह मटण ते ओ मिठा मोह मटण ते रुसी वञ राणा दुनिया जे चवण ते ओ रुसी वञ राणा दुनिया जे चवण ते
So, listeners, in Indus Melodies being broadcasted from Radio Voice of Sin London, the weekly show of Radio VOA London, we were listening to the melody in the voice of Ghulam Shabbir Shahani, one of the fine artists born in Dadu, was singing the poetry of Murtaza Shah Dadahi, which sighed, "Please don't detach me as the people around us wish you to do. Don't push me back," encouraging their conspiracies. Listeners, let me remind you that after a while I'll be reading a passage from a rare book which is Prehistoric Civilization of the Indus Valley. These are the lectures given by Sir William Muir in 1935, which are compiled by Ken Dixit, which was published during the British rule before the partition of the subcontinent, and I'll be reading a passage from this book. In case you are interested in listening about the ancient inhabitants of this terra firma, you must listen to this piece which I'll be reading after a while. Now I'm taking you to the voice of Usha Mangeshkar, the sister of Lata Mangeshkar and Asha Bhosle, who is singing a sweet melody which says, "Come, meet me, my sweetheart, and don't delay for a while in being with me." Here we go. So, listeners, did you enjoy the voice of Usha Mangeshkar? I'm sure you enjoyed this melody, Which Side? Come Meet Me, My Sweetheart. Now I'm taking you to one of the popular songs written by Sheikh Ayaz, one of the leading contemporary modern poets of Sindh. And this song is popular among the people of every age, belonging to every class of the society, every common one, every intellectual one. Everyone likes this song, which is sung by Sarmad Sindhi, Rahman Mughal. The actual name of Sarmad Sindhi was Rahman Mughal. And this song says, "O moon, I'm sure you haven't seen my cherished one. He looks apparently exactly like you, as you shine at par. Oh, you dark night, I'm sure you haven't seen my darling. Her hair looks shadowy like you." And in the same way, he addresses a snake for a metaphor of his beloved. Let's listen to this beautiful song by Sarmad Sindhi in Indus Melodies. Here we go.
जुगाए जिए मागे मूर न पुछिए हिकु रती रत न निकरे बियो सिक तुंहिंजी साए असां त तोही लाए पर में पुछाऊं पे कयूं अड़े चंद अड़े चंद अड़े चंद अड़े चंद अड़े चंद अड़े चंद तेरी तो तड ठोना है ओ तेरी तो तड ठोना है संदस रूप संदस रंग संदस रूप संदस रंग ये आहे दिया तुम अड़े चंद अड़े चंद अड़े चंद अड़े चंद तेरी तो तड ठोना है ओ तेरी तो तड ठोना है संदस रूप संदस रंग संदस रूप संदस रंग ये आहे जिया तू अड़े चंद अड़े चंद अड़े चंद अड़े चंद संदसवार संदस वंग संदसवार संदस वंग ये आहे अड़े चंद 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 अड़े नाग पिरी तो तड टोना है अड़े चंद अड़े चंद अड़े चंद अड़े चंद पीरी तो तड तो नाही ओ पीरी तो तड तो नाही संदस रूप संदस रंग संदस रूप संदस रंग ये आए जे तू अड़े चंद्र अड़े
All right, listeners, we were listening this melody, these lyrics by Sheikh Ayaz, sung by Sarmat Sindhi in Radio Voice of Sindh London. This is Radio Voice of Sindh London's weekly show, Indus Melodies. I'm Yasir Qazi with you. I'm taking you to another beautiful melody sung by Gigi Abida Parveen, written by Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, the greatest poet of Sindhi language and Sindh. This very vai, written by Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, is from the particular chapter Sur Karayal. Karayal means the peacock. This is the melody, the chapter of the peacock, the melody of the birds, in which Shah Latif has symbolized decent individuals with the birds having good characteristics and bad ones with the birds having evil features. This wise says, "I'm the possession of my divine beloved only." So, the interesting part of this vai is you will be listening the main abiyat from this chapter during this vai. Let's listen to this vai by Gigi Abida Parveen in Indus Melodies.
बलोच जी आहियां आऊं जा बलोच जी आहियां जेडियूं आऊं जा बलोच जी आहियां आऊं जा बलोच जी आहियां आऊं जा बलोच जी आहियां आऊं जा बलोच जी सो पखी सो पिंजरो सो सरसोई हंजू सो पखी सो पिंजरो सोई सरसोई हंजू पेही जा परूड़ियो मुँह पंहिंजो मंजू आदिल जंहिंजो डंज सो मारी थो मंझ फिर आऊं जा बलोच जी आहियां जेडियूं आऊं जा बलोच जी आहियां सर हो सर विञायो कूड़नि काइरनि रुठो रोहु वञनि कंहिं हीड़ाई अखां हंजड़ा विया मोर मर आ वतन थियो वरी वतन थियो वरी वतन थियो वरी कूड़न कायरन जो आऊं जा बरोज जी आहियां जेॾियूं आऊं जा बरोज जी आहियां कनीज़ा का किचन जी ना करनाऊं सदा आऊं जा बरोज जी आहियां आऊं जा बरोज जी सना भाई सपा सना भाई सपा सुका जनी पेट तनी जिया झपेट झुंगन के जो फोथिए सर में पखी है करो सर में पखी है करो पाढ़ेरी पंजा संदिया स अल्लाह लुडे लहरन विच में दल वो मंझ दरिया दल वो मंझ दरिया पखी पसी आया वे चारा वे साह आने उत अड़ाया आऊं जा बरोज जी आहियां जेॾियूं आऊं जा बरोज जी आहियां आऊं जा बरोज जी आहियां आऊं जा बरोज जी आहियां जेॾियूं आऊं जा बरोज जी आहियां कौर पाणू पातर में कौर पाणू पातर में भौर भिरी आकाश बिन्ही संदी गालड़ी गालड़ी बिन्ही संदी गालड़ी राज का आंधी रास तह इश्क की शाबाश जह मोहब्बत मेड़िया हंजा में रोए हंजा हंजा में रोए हंजा हंजा में रोई हंजा मेरो मंझन नाहे को जित रहन संज सो सरुखने सुरहो सुरहो सो सरुकने सुरहो आऊं जा बरोज जी आहियां जेॾियूं आऊं जा बरोज जी आहियां थियो हुजूरी हाण थियो हुजूर थियो हुजूरी हाणे सूझा पियस सरजी खुंड लधी खान पखियड़े पातार में आचो पानी लुढ़थियो अचो पानी लुढ़थियो कालूरियो कंगन ईंदे लजमरन तह सरबते हंजड़ा कनीज़ा का किचन जी ना करनाओ सडो आऊं जा बलोच जी आऊं जा बलोच जी जेजू आऊं जा बलोच जी जंग सिंह कार जंग सिंह कार जे गुण करे निहारिए बघन सिंह बिहार बेलन बधी कदहीं आऊं जा बलोच जी आऊं जा बलोच जी पेज़ार पुन्हुआ या मुझे पेज़ार पुन्हुआ या मुझे अखियुन से उठाया आऊं जा बलोच जी आऊं जा बलोच जी आऊं जा बलोच जी आऊं जा बलोच जी जेॾू आऊं जा बलोच जी
So, listeners, we were listening to this melody from the melody of Karayal, Sur Karayal, poetry of Shabd Latif Bhitai, sung by Gigi Avda Praveen in Indus Melodies, which is a weekly show of Radio Voice of Sindh London. Let me take you to a piece from a very rare book, from a very important historical account on Indus Valley civilization. The name of this book is Prehistoric Civilization of the Indus Valley. These are the lectures given by Sir William Mayer in 1935, which are compiled by K.N. Dixit. This book was initially published in 1939, immediately after the William gave these lectures, and the second edition of this book was published in 2017 by the Research, Compilation, Consolidation and Printing the History of Sindh, a project of the Department of Culture, Tourism and Antiquities, Government of Sindh. This book was launched along with 15 other books, which are the accounts written on the history of Sindh and Indus Valley by Britishers, and this was launched in London during International Sufi Festival, which was hosted by myself, and I was lucky enough to be there, and these books were launched there. And right after these books were launched, I was the lucky one to take each copy from all these books to the British Library for submitting there, and I was amazed to see that the first editions of most of these books were already there. The dedication of this book is given to N.C. Majumdar, and I want to sorrowfully share with you that Majumdar kept researching about Indus Valley during British rule and was killed near the mountains of Kirthar near Nai Gaj when he was washing some of the coins and some of the artifacts which he found from the mounds of Kirthar, and some of the robbers thought that he has found some treasures. Of course, those were treasures, but not for the robbers or an ordinary person. For a historian, for an archaeologist, for an anthropologist, these were treasures, and those were the treasures of the history. But those robbers thought that might be some gold or jewelry or gems, but they were unsuccessful, but they killed a person like N.C. Majumdar. So Mr. Dixit dedicates this book to N.C. Majumdar, and he writes to M.C. Majumdar, martyr of the cause of the prehistoric archaeology of Sindh, death 11/11/38, which means November 11th, 38. There are 6 important chapters of this book, which include: number 1, discovery, scope, and extent of the Indus Valley civilization; number 2, building, architecture, and town planning; number 3, the life and arts of the Indus people; number 4, religion, race, funeral, customs, and animals; number 5, the writing of the Indus period; number 6, pottery, metals, chronology, and other considerations. And in the last, journal index is given, and around 15 valuable illustrations are also the part of this precious book. Folks, I'm taking you directly to page number 63 of the book, from where the lecture 5 starts. Actually, all these 6 topics are 6 lectures which are compiled by Mr. Dixit. So, lecture number 5 titles, The Writing of the Indus Period. Quote, "The most characteristic and fascinating feature of the Indus civilization is the writing, which has tempted several scholars to attempt the task of deciphering, as the key of the unveiling of the nature of the civilization will depend upon this decipherment. The challenge offered by the still undeciphered script to the intelligence and integrity of scholars has been irresistible. It is, however, a very difficult task in the absence of a real clue to conceive other scholars of the validity of the hypothesis from which the decipherer has to start. For the present, the utmost that can be attempted is to make an objective study of the material supplied by the writing and to place the tentative conclusions before the world of scholars. In this respect, Dr. Hunter's work appears to be most reasonable statement of the problem at the present stage. By far the largest amount of the material on which the writing of Indus period has been handed down to us consists of stamped seals invariably made to steatite, generally coated with a glaze. These seals have been also called seal amulets, as it is believed that they were carried by the citizens on their body by means of a string passed through the holes perforated either in the small boss at the back, as in the case of square seals, or through the seal itself, as in case of small rectangular seals. The most likely source of the steatite is from the outcrop in the Aravali hills in the South Rajputana, where steatite of similar texture without layers or laminate has been reported. The material appears to have been cut into shape with a saw and finished with a chisel or drill. In the course of the finishing process, the seal appears to have been fired with a coating of calcium on it, and the final product was glossy white, quite different in the appearance from the original steatite. A number of small tables of steatite from Harappa containing an almost identical legend have been considered by Hunter as receipts. A number of cubic seals of yellow paste marked with the swastika and other markings and legend on one or two sides appear to have some special significance, perhaps religious. Only 2 examples of cylindrical seals are known, which indicate that this form so universal in summer, was very seldom adopted in India. There are number of square copper tablets with animal device above the inscription below, which have been considered as coins, but may also be considered as amulets. Unquote. So listeners, this was a passage from this very important historical account on Indus Valley by Sir William Mere. These are lectures, 6 lectures compiled by K.N. Dixit and reprinted by the Department of Culture, Government of Sindh. These lectures were delivered in 1935. So listeners, I am taking you to the voice of the Queen of the Melody, Malka-e-Tarannum, and it was Ghulam Haider Siddiqui who made her sing for the very first time for the film Badal, Ae Hawa Aanchon Na Khila Muke Pyar Milyo. But I'm not going to air that one song right now. I'm going to make you listen a song from the movie Rang Mahal, and in this very song, Malka-e-Tarannum Noorjahan sings a song which means the distresses are not letting me sit wordlessly. I'm missing someone. My inner is calling him back. Let's listen to this beautiful melody.
सजण पहिजा धारिया
So listeners, we were listening to the voice of Malkai Tarannum Noor Jahan, and you are listening to Radio Voice of Sin London. This is a weekly show, Indus Melodies, and you are welcome to the show if you have just joined. As you all know that this is October 24th today, and this is the death anniversary of Muhammad Sumar Sheikh, one of the prominent historians of Sindh belonging to the Lard part, the lower Sindh part of Sindh. He died on October 24th, 1986, this very day in 1986. Today is also the death anniversary of one of the prominent, one of the leading, eminent short story writers of the subcontinent, Ismat Chughtai, one of the finest Urdu short story writers. She died in 1991 on this day, October 24th. This is also the death anniversary of Ustad Qamar Jalalvi, one of the leading Ustad Urdu ghazal poets who died in 1968 on October 24th. कमर जरा भी नहीं तुमको खौफ रुसवाई, चले हो चांदनी शब में उन्हें बुलाने को कबर. You are not fearful from calling your beloved during a moonlit night, during which everyone can see. कभी कहा न किसी से तेरे फसाने को. I have never told your story. I have never shared your story with anybody. न जाने कैसे खबर हो गई ज़माने को. I don't know. How could the people know about how we met and why we met and where we met? And as I told you that tomorrow, 25th October is the 15th death anniversary of Zarina Baloch, one of the noted folk singers from Sindh. And tomorrow is also the death anniversary of noted Urdu poet and lyricist, one of the leading poets of the subcontinent, Sahir Ludhianvi. मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है, पल दो पल मेरी हस्ती है, पल दो पल मेरी जवानी है. मुझसे पहले कितने शायर आए और आकर चले गए, कुछ नगमे गाकर चले गए, कुछ गीत सुनाकर चले गए. वो भी एक पल का किस्सा थे, मैं भी एक पल का किस्सा हूँ. कल तुझसे जुदा हो जाऊंगा, गो आज तुम्हारा हिस्सा हूँ. Sahir Ludhianvi, the beautiful lyricist and poet, died on October 25th, 1980, 1980. And also one of the finest English poets and the debut poet of English, the very first poet on record from English literature, Geoffrey Chaucer, died on October 25th, 1400. So tomorrow will be the death anniversary of Geoffrey Chaucer, and day after tomorrow on October 26th it would be death anniversary of one of the popular poets of Sindhi Geet, Bardo Sindhi from Nawabshah, who died in 1988 on October 26th. So this was something to be remembered, and yesterday we endorsed the 11th death anniversary of Surab Fakir in our show Suraj Shakhon Kadhiyon. Yesterday was his death anniversary, and also October 23rd, yesterday was the death anniversary of one of the leading politicians of Pakistan, Madar-e-Jamhuriyat, the spouse of Shaykh Zulfiqar Ali Bhutto, Begum Nusrat Bhutto. Begum Nusrat Bhutto departed on October 23rd, 2011, 9 years back. I'm taking you to the voice of Ustad Muhammad Jumman, who is singing the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai from Sur Sarang, the melody of monsoons, the chapter of rains, which is also a symbolic chapter, a symbolic melody, and this very Vai from a function recording in which he has sung tremendously. This says, the droplets of the love rain, not the rain from sky, the apparent rain, but the droplets of the love rain falls like spring and charmingly transforms my mournful world into the most cherished one. Let's listen to this melody from Sur Sarang by Ustad Muhammad Jumman.
Moti Mandanan ji, Moti Mandanan ji, mane kya hi mara, Viju basana ayu 14 thi 14 के उठी हलूं इस्तंबुल दे के मिड़ूं मगरब पार के चिमकल चीलते के चिमकल चीलते के लहल समर कंदल सार किल जुबी जे सर मेर तार ना बका नियर बकार के दिली के दखल के गुड़ल मथे गिरनार किनी बुझ बिजायो किनी बुझ बिजायो किली धत मथाई धार किल अची उमर कोट तां वसाया बलार साईं सदाई साईं सदाई करी मथे सिंधु सुकार दोस्त मिठा दिलदार आलम सब आबाद करी अलाए आए आए बूंद बिरह जी बहार लगी बेसवसी पियो बूंद बिरह जी बहार लगी बेसवसी पियो बूंद बिरह जी बहार लगी देशवसी पियो बूंद बिरह जी समुद्र की तिकड़ी सिर समुद्र जी लहरल जी ललकार लगी लहरल जी ललकार लगी दर्दवती बेसवसी पियो बूंद बिरह जी बहार लगी दर्दवती देशवसी पियो बूंद बिरह जी अज पुणु नर पार दे पार दे पार दे दे पार दे अज पुणु नर पार दे तारे कई तवार हाजल हर संभाया हाजल हर संभाया सरहात्या सघार अज पुण मुझे यार अज पुण मुझे यार वसण जावे सगया अल्लाह ककरहूं लहूं ककरहूं ककरहूं लहूं झुड़ने न लहे जेड़ा पूजा सुपरी तेरा बेग बनार खड़ो अखियूं खिलियार 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 यार खड़ो अखियूं खिलियार त वजन सूर सदा कयो अल्लाह उठना मीह मलीरत उठना मीह मलीरत मलीरत उठना मीह मलीरत राहुल की गुलजार लगी राहुल की गुलजार लगी देशवसी जो बूंद बिरह re re pa pa ni pa re sa ni pa 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 ni pa 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 re pa pa ma re ma re 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 bhuta देशवासी जो भूत है भट्टधरी भट्टधरी पटती रिजुल क्यों बाजो बखो पेजे प्रियला सिभी कर साजो सजन समाजो सजन समाजो भेज बिनी घर आयो दीदी pani pa mare ma pani pa mare ma pani inni pani pata sa pani inni pata pani
बूंद बिरहजी बहार लगी दर्दवंदिया जो देश वसी पियो. Now my world has transformed into a joyful, into a blissful world after this rainfall of the love on my within. We were listening to this melody by Ustad Muhammad Juman. Of course, this melody, this tune was created by Ustad Muhammad Juman, but the melody of Sarang, Sur Sarang, is written by Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai, and this was the second last item of today's show. And let me conclude today's show again with the voice of Gigi Zarina Baloch, paying her a tribute on her 15th death anniversary, 15th demise anniversary, which would be endorsed and commemorated tomorrow, October 25th. In this very song, Gigi Zarina Baloch raises the slogan of the humanity, of the human being. This song, sung by Gigi Zarina Baloch, and the chorus and her companions, is sung endorsing the dignity of labor and a farmer, which says, "Live long human being, live long esteemed status of the labor of the land." So we are going to end this show with this beautiful melody. I'll request you to extend your feedback in either case, whether you have liked the show or otherwise. Please extend your feedback through Facebook. My Facebook page is facebook.com/DJ Yasir Qazi, DJYSIRQAZI. If you want to extend your feedback through Twitter, my Twitter handle is @RJ Yasir Qazi, @RJYSIRQAZI. If you want to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is with the name of Yasir Qazi, YSIRQAZI. And if you want to type it directly in the address bar, you can write youtube.com/FMWQY, FMWQY. You can press the bell icon for continuous updates about the videos we share, about the audios we share, and for the notifications of our live shows. If you want to send your feedback through email, my email is djyasirqazi@yahoo.com, djyasirqazi@yahoo.com. I'm extremely grateful to Sarve Chudho, the program coordinator of this program and the whole transmission of Radio Voice of Sindh London, and in charge of the transmission and CEO of Radio Voice of Sindh London, Mr. Imdad Udho. Thank you very much for being supportive always, and also all the creative staff of Radio Voice of Sindh London. I'll be meeting you after 2 days, inshallah, on Tuesday, October 27, and I hope we will have an interesting and productive and fruitful chit-chat in that show also, and that will be Suraj Shakhon Kadhiyon at 10 o'clock in the morning as per Pakistan Standard Time. Till then, this is Yasir Qazi signing off from the show from Karachi studios of Radio Voice of Sindh London, praying for you, praying for the prosperity of my homeland and the people dwelling on this homeland who are associated with this homeland and dwelling anywhere in the world. I pray for the prosperity and the good being of everyone living everywhere in the world. Take care, goodbye, aloha, Allah Hafiz, Sadain Gad, Tata and Bye-bye, over and out.
अजब तो धूड़ में बेधड़ दरिया अजब बिलावल थो वजे घाण में घमसान अजब सामूं संग जे कोई मुर्स महान थींदी सिंध सुजान थींदी सिंध सुजान रींदा नींहं ॾुखे रजा
मजदूर जो नाम मकान जिए मजदूर जो मान महान जिए 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 ओ जिए 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 इंसान जिए जिए इंसान जिए इंसान जिए इंसान जिए
जिए इंसान जिए 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 ओ जिए 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 इंसान जिए जिए इंसान जिए इंसान जिए इंसान जिए सच सोच जिए मत होश जिए
सच सोच जिए मत होश जिए
गॾु जहद जतन जो जोश जिए
गॾु जहद जतन जो जोश जिए
सब जीअण जो सामान जिए सब जीअण जो सामान जिए जिए इंसान जिए जिए इंसान जिए इंसान जिए इंसान जिए ओ जिए 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 ओ जिए 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 इंसान जिए जिए इंसान जिए इंसान जिए इंसान जिए सिंधी माण्हुनि जा मेरा
जित सिंधी माण्हुनि जा मेरा
भाउर भावनि सां भेरा
जित भाउर भावनि सां भेरा
सो आम संदो ऐवान जिए सो आम संदो ऐवान जिए जिए इंसान जिए जिए इंसान जिए इंसान जिए इंसान जिए 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 ओ जिए 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 इंसान जिए जिए इंसान जिए इंसान जिए इंसान जिए सिंध त तुंहिंजी मुंहिंजी यार
सिंध त तुंहिंजी मुंहिंजी यार
मज़बूत लिखत तारीख़ी यार
मज़बूत लिखत तारीख़ी यार
ई फितरत जो फरमान जिए ई फितरत जो फरमान जिए जिए इंसान जिए जिए इंसान जिए इंसान जिए इंसान जिए 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 ओ जिए 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 इंसान जिए जिए इंसान जिए इंसान जिए इंसान जिए सिंधी कौमन शाबर
हित सिंधी कौमन शाबर
नक्शे जो निशान जिए नक्शे जो निशान जिए जिए इंसान जिए जिए इंसान जिए इंसान जिए इंसान जिए 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 ओ जिए 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 इंसान जिए जिए इंसान जिए इंसान जिए इंसान जिए गम गोलन में गुम कोन कबो
इंसान जिए इंसान जिए 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 ओ जिए 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 इंसान जिए जिए इंसान जिए इंसान जिए इंसान जिए अमन जो नारो इंसाफ अमन जो नारो आजाद वतन जो नारो आजाद वतन जो नारो उस्ताद इहो ऐलान जिए उस्ताद इहो ऐलान जिए इंसान जिए जिए इंसान जिए इंसान जिए इंसान जिए 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 ओ जिए 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 इंसान जिए जिए इंसान जिए इंसान जिए इंसान जिए मजदूर जो मान मकान जिए मजदूर जो मान महान जिए जिए इंसान 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 सिंधु मुहिंजी अमा सूह तुहिंजी मथा छा लिखी छा लिखां छा लिखी छा लिखां सिंधु मुहिंजी अमा
दुनिया जा सिंधियो हिक मुठ थी सिंध बचायो
सिंधु मुहिंजी अमा सूह तुहिंजी मथा छा लिखां
सिंध जो क़ौमी आवाज़ रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन। रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन पंहिंजी नशरियात में सिंध जी सियासत, समाज, इक़्तिसादियात, तारीख़, क़ौमी उमंगुनि ऐं अख़लाक़ियात मुतलिक़ सिंध जी हक़ीक़ी तर्जुमानी कंदे प्रोग्रामनि खे असराइतो बणाइण लाइ सिंध जे घण घुरनि ऐं धरतीअ सां प्यार कंदड़ अदीबनि, दानिशवरनि, सहाफ़ियुनि, उस्तादनि, वकीलनि ऐं हर तबिके जे मानवारनि सजणनि खे सिंध में शऊरी इनकलाब लाइ सहकार जो सॾु ॾियूं था। अचो त गॾिजी सूफ़ियुनि ऐं संतनि वारी सिंध जो ओज हिकु मुठ थी वरी वापसि आणण वारे सफ़र जा साथारी बणिजऊं। हिकु नए सुबुह जी शुरूआत जो पड़ाॾो घर घर ॻोठ ॻोठ ऐं शहर शहर ताईं पहुचायो। शाल सिंध आबाद ऐं ख़ुशहाल थिए, सिंधी माण्हू सुखियो ऐं सताबो थिए।